What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you my song Dancing in the Kitchen, and it's about falling in love. I always thought I couldn't be bought, at least that's what I was taught. I make my own money, I do my own thing, I never wanted a ring. Strong and independent, I don't need no man, jet set lifestyle, Instagram. But then I met you, things started to change. Maybe I don't need my last name. Now I'm back in the kitchen, baking his favorite blueberry pies. Back in the kitchen, thinking one day maybe I'll be his wife. And I never wanted the white picket fence. Maybe with you it makes sense. I'm back in the kitchen. Sometimes we're up and sometimes we're down, but I know I always want you around. I used to have my own dreams and things that I wanted, but ever since I met you, my life's been haunted. I want 2 kids on the back porch, it's you and me. Loving you is my wildest dream. Now I'm back in the kitchen, baking his favorite blueberry pie. Back in the kitchen, thinking one day maybe I'll be his wife. I never wanted the white picket fence. Maybe with you it makes sense. Back in the kitchen.